Good morning. I'm gonna start this off again because I was grumpy earlier. Heading to Peak 6.
Good morning.
Lack of enthusiasm all day.
From who?
Every day. From JC!
Just wait. What do you want me to do?
Be enthusiastic.
Just push him off.
No.
Ariel would push me off.
What?
I'm looking outside my window. I try to see where my luck goes. I just don't know how it slips out. There must be some kind of plan. Every person could be you though. A pretty guy with a halo. But who am I kidding please now? I gotta realize that you
Everybody made it. How's it feel?
I'm feeling it today.
Yeah? JC. You're not going to there? I mean, it's all downhill, dude. Put your board on.
What we could do around the world, say to Peru. We lie in bed till it's PM, eating breakfast when it's dark again. Let us be partners in crime, you and me as Bonnie and Clyde. We'll dance alone in the afterglow. With me a song on the radio. It's really amazing how you got me tripping on you.
Right. JC's riding up with a lady friend.
Woo woo.
Let's see if he'll seal the deal or blow it like he normally does. It's the most action he's gotten in a long time, riding the chairlift with another girl.
Besides me.
We're rooting for you, JC. Good luck. Godspeed. Alright, little Juan is tired. The little Juan is tired. We're heading up to the top of Peak 9 for some beers. Or at least a break.
Food. I'm not
Food.
drinking, I just want food.
I want food and drink. Oh, we did 2 hike-to trains today.
After a 17-mile run yesterday. What?
It's not that cold out. What? You wanna sit down? Let's eat some food. Yes.
You see this?
Yeah.
Are they both Mowgli?
It's all pretty bad. Just if you keep going to the right.
I came down this pass and I thought I was gonna head out like.
Yeah.
I got fine.
No, just keep going as far as you can to the right, and then it kind of follow the ridge down to the bottom of it.
Am I gonna head back to 10?
Yeah.
If I yell, come get me.
All right.
Oh my God!
Keep going to the right. Just follow. Aim for those trees. maintenance required.
Oh yeah, miles.
Another pretty good day at Breck.
I would say check freaking traffic, but we know how that goes.
Tired.
Jesse wants me to check traffic, but the last time we did that, I suggested a shortcut, which he agreed to, and then put up a fit when we had to turn around. So on that note, goodbye everyone.